Hi friends, welcome to Sithu's Biology and Creativity. And today our topic is about the fourth week of pregnancy. In the previous videos, we already know about the first, second and also the third week of the pregnancy. So today in this video we are going to know about what are the changes are going to be taken place in this fourth week in the woman's body and how the baby is going to be grown in this fourth week. So let's watch the complete video. So first let me clear you that when this fourth week will be called as. Actually this fourth week is begun after the 14 days after the conception occurred in the woman's body. Conception is nothing but the fusion of the egg, that is nothing but the ovum and also the sperm. After the conception process, after the 14 days of the conception process, this fourth week will be begun, and this is when the woman's next period would have been due. Means I already said that when the woman get conceived, the menstrual cycle of the woman's will be ceased, right? So the first ceasing of the menstrual cycle will be in this week only, that is fourth week. So in this week, the blastocyst which is implanted into the woman's womb in the third week, that blastocyst is known as the embryo. Means in this fourth week, the blastocyst is going to be converted into an embryo. And also in this fourth week, the baby, that is nothing but the embryo which is present inside the woman's womb, will be measures about 1.5 mm. That is nothing but the 0.06 inches. And also on the 18th day after the conception process, that is nothing but the fourth day of the fourth week, is going to be formed the spinal cord and also the brain in the embryo. That is nothing but the baby's spinal cord and also the brain are going to be begin to form. So let's see how this spinal cord and also the brain, that is nothing but the neural tube, was formed in the embryo, and by which cells these are going to be formed in the embryo. I already shared in the third week of the pregnancy that the flat cell was formed by using the three layers, that is nothing but the ectoderm, mesoderm and also the endoderm. Now these layers are going to form the spinal cord and also the neural tube. Let's see how from which layer this spinal cord and also the neural tubes are going to be formed in the baby. So in this figure, we can observe that the top layer which is present is the ectoderm. So this ectoderm is going to form the back of the embryo. Let's see how this is formed. Actually, this is the flat sheet of cells which is going to be fold in the middle and curls around to start forming a tube-like structure. So we can observe here that the sheet is going to be fold in the middle and it is going to be curl-like around, and it is finally forms a tube, right? So to the one end, to the top end of the tube is going to be bulge out and enlarges to it to form a beginning of your brain. That is nothing but the baby's brain. So by the end of this week, that is nothing but the 21 days after the conception, on the day, the two sides of the sheet are going to be meet, that is nothing but the fuse each other to complete the neural tube. So let me clear you once again by this slide. That is, you can observe that the first figure is the flattened sheath, right? In the second figure, we can observe that the foldings were started by the sheet. So in the third figure, we can observe that the complete folding of the, means the half of the folding of the figure, that is nothing but the sheet, was done in the third image. So in the fourth image, you can observe that the one end of the tube is going to be bulged out and enlarges to form the beginning of your baby's brain. So you can observe that in the top of the fourth image. So finally in the fifth image, means the end of this week, that is nothing but the 21 days after the conception process, the two sides of the sheet is going to be fused in the middle. We can observe that in this figure, that is nothing but the fifth image. So when it fuses completely, finally our neural tube or the spinal cord are going to be formed completely. So these two that are nothing but the spinal cord and also the neural tube are going to be formed by the ectoderm layer, that is which is present in the top layer of the sheet. At the same time, when the ectoderm is going to form the spinal cord and also the neural tube, at the same time the endoderm layer, that is nothing but the bottom layer of the sheet, is going to form a balloon like structure on the chest level of a baby. What is that balloon like structure? Why it is going to be bulge out in the chest part of the baby? Means actually that portion is known as the yolk sac and a body stalk. Means that endoderm is going to form yolk sac and also the body stalk in the body, that is nothing but the baby. Now you may get the doubt that what is the body stalk? Actually the body stalk is the beginning of your baby's umbilical cord, which is the cord which is going to be connect to the mother and also the baby. So that umbilical cord is going to nourish them once the placenta is fully developed. We can observe that in the image that the red color portion is known as the body stalk, means that is nothing but the starting portion, the beginning portion of the umbilical cord, and also the yolk sac which is present in the bulge balloon like structure over in the figure, that is known as the yolk sac. At the same time, that is nothing but the endoderm is going to form the yolk sac. That yolk sac is going to provide some nourishment and is eventually reabsorbed into your baby's body, and after reabsorbing it is going to form the bowel, liver, lungs and also the bladder, that are nothing but the internal organs during the next weeks of the baby development. And also this yolk sac is the only way to form the baby's own blood supply. So these are the different parts which are going to be developed in the embryo during the 4th week of pregnancy. So I think you guys understand the detailed information regarding the 4th week of pregnancy and how the baby is going to be grown in this week. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.